Hi Jennifer.
Hi.
I'm Kevin.
Jen, nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
Morning, Kevin.
How you doing? Come aboard, come aboard. Come on, it's a busy boat ramp today.
Yeah, very busy.
Just have a seat and we'll push off. All right, I think we got, yep, keep on reeling, Adam. That's a big fish. Okay, over here. Lift. Yes.
And we're off.
Yes, okay. Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. Bring him this way, Adam. Yep, he's a nice size. It's not a flathead. What is he? Oh, he's a brim. Yay. We've got many different kinds of fish here today. He's a big brim too. Yeah, bring him in. Yes, okay. Well done, Adam. 29 centimeter brim.
Thanks very much. He's a nice fish.
Adam's first sand whiting.
Big dinner tonight.
Nice. What fish you got there?
Oh, I lost him.
Keep on going. Oh yeah, you lost him.
My line.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, hold on. Oh, yep. Can you unlock for me, please?
Yeah.
That's a good size.
Flathead?
That's a flathead.
Came off. Hi everyone. 52 centimeter flathead caught here in the Hawkesbury. Everyone please give Kevin Lynn Fishing a like, comment and subscribe.